Okay, if your outlets look like this, then I have a solution for you. I've got your fix right here. This is the desktop charging station from Gitryin, and honestly, this thing has more ports than you even need, than I need. Today I'm gonna test this, I'm gonna show you some specs, take it apart, show you what it's all about, and how you might use it day to day. Quick heads up, if you do get to the end of this video and you wanna pick one up, if you like it, I got a little discount code for you below, save you a few bucks. Okay. Here we go. Let's start with the base. This one cable that you plug into the wall gives you 8 AC outlets. Here's what I mean. You have 4 on the back and 4 on the front. So that alone right there cleans up a ton of clutter. But the real magic here is the stackable modules. They slide into the cradle and then click into place. So you can stack them neatly right next to each other. And then pop on the lid to make sure it looks nice and tidy. Each module is 40 watt. It's USB-C. And one of my favorite parts is it has a retractable cable. That cable is about 3 feet long. You can pull it out, plug it in, and then retract it cleanly when you're done. Something else to note, there's also an extra USB-C port on the front of these modules. Okay, but hold on. One of my favorite little unique parts about this product is the magnets. So let me show you here. See that? That just looks bad. You don't want that hanging there. It's a magnet. It's the little things in life. So those obviously sit flush, again, keeping things nice and tidy. Something else that's really great, and you can tell they've really put a lot of thought into this, if you're traveling and wanting to go like this, take one out for a trip, folds up like that, and then you just have a normal charger that you can bring with you. And again, don't forget the extra USB-C cable on the front too, so really 2 chargers. Something else to note, because this is modular, you can build whatever setup that you want. So you could leave some AC outlets open, stack a few USB chargers in, put the cover back on top, still making sure it looks clean. There's also a master power switch right here. This allows you to turn the whole thing on or off with just one tap. Something else to note, the base is weighted with silicone feet, so it doesn't slide around on your desk or countertop. This could go without saying, but safety-wise, you're covered, surge protected, ETL certified, a 15 amp rating, and a thermal protector for shorts and overloads. This may seem obvious, but when you're ordering online, you can choose what inserts that you want. And really the price is pretty solid considering it's so many products in one product. You get what I'm saying. And I did some more research, and I guess they're just going to continue to come out with more modules that you can insert. So whatever's on the website is not the end-all be-all. More cords, more hookups, more options are coming. All right, that's really it. I just wanted to give you a short video. Don't forget, if you want to pick one of these up below, little discount code for you. Also, if this was helpful, if it was interesting, if you want to see more reviews, tests with unique, interesting new products on the market, please go ahead and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, do me a huge favor and click that like button. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, see you later.